to be over there, upside down, है ना?
यहाँ पे तेरा डेस्क था, ऐसे यही बेड था ना?
हाँ.
And there was another desk there.
Some bed.
फिर गिरीश आया तो ऐसा था I think पहले.
नहीं, उससे पहले हमारा कोई और चैनल नहीं था.
Yes, it was you this way and me this
हाँ,
way.
and मैं बीच में
उससे
होता.
पहले कोई और नहीं था. डायरेक्टली हमने यही कर दिया था.
I'm pretty sure. Pretty sure.
हाँ. I remember that day. We went
Wait,
to...
no. Before what we had was...
नहीं.
No, I know before what we had. We had, you were there only. This bed we put it normally and I was like this. So it was me here and you there.
इस टाइम पे मैं आया नहीं था, मुझे याद.
He wasn't there.
No.
Yes. It was this way for you and I was like this. I remember. I used to sleep like this, you used to sleep like that. I used to talk like this, I used to talk like this to you. Like I was sleeping and I used to see you there.
No, I remember we went to Arnav Agarwal's room one day.
And then we checked and then we did this wala. Two together. So
कुछ
before
तो था
that,
मतलब, हाँ.
before that it was me here and you there.
मेरे को याद ही नहीं होगा. अच्छा ठीक है होगा.
It's been long.
वो that's what. इसलिए मैं फिर वो आया, फिर उधर आया, फिर मैं बीच में सोता था.
हाँ तो फिर एक यहाँ पे और तू बीच में होता था. हाँ.
फिर उसके बाद डायरेक्टली ये आया क्या?
और मेरे को याद है फिर मैंने ये भी निकाल दिया था. अच्छा हाँ, मैंने ये तभी निकाला होगा.
हाँ तभी
You took this off and you were sleeping this way because you didn't want to get it.
हाँ.
फिर उसके बाद डायरेक्टली ये था क्या?
Yes.
I feel like नहीं, मैं बीच में कहीं तो यहाँ पे नहीं, कहीं और सोया. I feel like मैं ऐसा कभी सोया नहीं.
हमने नॉर्मली कभी नहीं रखा ना, जैसे ओरिजिनली ये रूम.
No, originally room is supposed to be here one and here one.
हाँ, and जय बीच में.
And yeah, Jai would have to sleep here.
नहीं, हमने वैसे कभी भी नहीं रखा. And then I remember when we did our first podcast, उसके अराउंड हमने एक टेबल यहाँ पे परमानेंटली फिक्स हो गया था क्योंकि किसी को उसको हटाने का मन नहीं किया.
क्या?
किसी का भी नहीं किया. तेरे को
Which
शेड
one?
थ्रो नहीं कर रहा हूँ.
Which one?
अबे तेरे को याद नहीं, एक टेबल सिर्फ बीच में एक टाइम पड़ा हुआ था भाई.
Oh, that's the one when we were sleeping like this.
Yes. उसमें एक ऐसे था और एक ऐसा था और बीच में टेबल पड़ा होता था और वहाँ पे एक टेबल होता था. हाँ. एक बार हमने ऐसे भी तो किया था कि एक यहाँ पे इन दोनों टेबल का L बना दिया था, एक ऐसे और एक ऐसे. You remember that?
हाँ वो थोड़ा याद है मुझे.
I remember
L
that.
याद
It
है
used to be
मुझे.
really messy. The tables
We
used to
made
be
the
really
table.
messy.
We made the table like an L. So what we did was we had a table like this and a table like that. I have a
Ah.
video of you standing on top of that table and then jumping this way. So he was on top of this table, right? And this table was like this. So he was in that edge trying to fix the LED or something, and then he jumped like that here from that table.
मेरे को याद भी नहीं होगा.
I remember. I have a video of that. Yeah. That is when the table was really messy. We had like what an
And
L-size
then
table.
we did this setup.
This setup, yes. This is the best.
This is the best. This has been the
Easily.
best.
I
think Jay ko bhi
This has been the longest, I think.
Yes, one whole time. we
One
had
whole
this.
time. हाँ. हम काफी हो गए. अच्छा था ये setup.
This thing started even before the sem. We did this right on क्या बोलते
आने
हैं?
से पहले ही.
Right before we left to our hometowns, we did this.
Yeah, that late.
We did right when like cold started hitting. We did that.
Listen, was there a time where two beds were joined here?
No.
नहीं,
Beds
I
were
remember one time I came back. I don't remember it was Dashera या दिवाली. अगले सुबह को तू था नहीं.
I know. Because he wasn't there, we wanted to watch a movie. And because at that time the beds were one here and one here, right? So what we thought was, because Abhinav was there, I was there and Thapa was there, we're like, we want to sleep, we want to lie on the same bed and watch a movie. So we took your bed out, we shoved it out, and that's when you came back and your bed was outside. You remember? Your bed was outside. So we joined this bed and this bed.
By the way. Anyway.
This is Jai. Oh, it's gone through a lot, man. Look at it.
हाँ.
It's gone through.
गिरने वाला.
तेरा भी खत्म हो गया भाई. तेरा भी उधर से
गिरने वाले.
निकल ही रहा है उसके ऊपर का.
Yeah.
Covers.
We don't know how to make it.
मैंने तो बीच में चेंज कर लिया था तो मेरा सही है.
Oh yeah, you got a new mattress, no?
I got new mattress.
Stole it.
I think this is, I don't know, steal it.
नहीं replace किया.
This is the one we.
This is Krish Mehra's, I think.
हाँ, this is Krish Mehra.
Or this is Vikesh's.
नहीं, this is Krish Mehra.
Krish Mehra's.
मैं तो मेरा इनिशियली मेरा भी चालू हुआ था कि दूसरे एक्स्ट्रा मैट्रेस है इसलिए मैं सोता था. और फिर
हाँ।
वो लेके चला गया।
Yeah, yeah.
कौन था वो? मनन।
मनन
हाँ। और तो फिर सोचा मैं ऊपर का नीचे लगा।
वो एग्जैक्टली क्या हुआ था, randomly he came one day, he took his mattress and he left. Insane bro.
It's been so.
वही कितना कुछ हुआ है।
This much has happened, bro, and it feels like college just started.
हाँ। वो एक साल अभी।
हाँ।
इसलिए मैंने पूछा था कितना चेंज हुआ है।
That's the
हम
thing.
भी, हाँ।
You know when this hit me first? This hit me first when I was going through my Insta and then I see my junior story. And then they're all drinking and they're all fucking partying and I'm like, I thought they're in 12th grade. They should be studying, boards chal raha hai, all that. And I see their boards are over.
Yeah.
And I see they have their after parties, I see they have their farewells, I'm like, fuck.
खत्म हो गया.
That was the best period, I think, for me. Like right when 12th got over, for that that 1 month I had that pressure key, which college, apply to college and shit. But then after that we had 3 months still. I think it was
After
March it got over for us. I think mine got over March because I was bio. CS people had to write.
You were in
CBSE.
हाँ.
CS had to write it a little later. CS had till April. So ours got over first. So I applied for my college in that 1 week after this thing. So I got in SNU. And then after that I didn't apply for anything else. 3 months, bro. 3 months.
I had like 5.5.
Huh?
Because I was IGCSE ना मेरा फेब में ही खत्म हो गया था. So March, April, May, June, July, half of August. 5.5 महीने.
तूने किया क्या 5 महीने भाई?
कुछ नहीं, मैंने सिर्फ बकचोदी की है.
Reels
मैं
देखे?
जब जिम गया, घर में बैठा बकचोदी की, सारा से मिलता था, दोस्तों से मिलता था, बस और कुछ नहीं किया भाई.
बहुत name drop हो रहा है. People might not even know who the fuck they are.
ठीक है वो.
No, not just this. The amount of name drop we did just for the bed, bro. जब mattress we were talking about, we just name drop like 5 people.
ठीक है.
इसमें तो को पता भी नहीं होगा उसका मैट्रेस बदला हुआ है.
We're not bad mouthing them. So
हाँ.
I know, it's just.
भाई देखो याद है एक बार 2 सीनियर आए थे.
हाँ.
वो बोले थे
हाँ,
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 हाँ, हाँ, हाँ, हाँ.
लगता है अगले साल हम भी करेंगे. हम भी आएंगे भाई एक बार.
I'm pretty sure I want to come to 412.
हाँ.
Oh, hey, we're not going to talk about it this fast.
Okay.
The possibilities
okay.
is not
okay.
yet.
Okay.
Imagine I'm here. I'm still here.
Imagine.
Imagine. Hey, not because I failed, because I.
बोला I called it एक बार.
इसको उधर फेंक दे ब्रो, पीछे फेंक दे. हाँ, बढ़िया.
Lovely girl.
बट भाई वो सीनियर्स तेरे को याद है हमारे रूम में आए थे और उन्होंने हमें बोला था कि ओ जब हमने ये रूम छोड़ा था तब हमारा बेड यहाँ होता था और फिर हमने इस रूम में रोलिंग पेपर भी छोड़ के गए थे और थोड़ा सामान भी छोड़ के गए थे तो बाकी लोगों के लिए हमने बोला मुझे ऑनेस्टली उस टाइम पे कुछ मिला नहीं था.
नहीं मिलेगा. They clean the room every
लेके
time.
जाते
They
हैं.
obviously they're gonna.
एंड सो व्हेन हमारा भी सेमेस्टर खत्म होता है हम लोग को भी सारा सामान लेके उसी टाइम पे जाना पड़ेगा.
Even if we leave something, they'll throw it out.
हाँ. But there's a place you can store.
Where?
एक जगह होता है मैट्रेस और सब you can keep it there.
Oh, that's good.
सामान.
Other things I don't think we need to take. I think half of our
हाँ.
these things they'll get over. We throw it out.
Yeah, like my mom told me सिर्फ कपड़े लेके आओ.
कपड़े लेके आएंगे और
और
क्या?
बस essential like headphone और charger और ये. बाकी सब छोड़ो बाकी घर पे.
हाँ, makes sense. तो हम सारा सामान मतलब मैट्रेस और ये सब छोड़ सकते हो बोल रहा है. गुड यार, बढ़िया. बट हाँ मैं तेरे को यही चीज़ बोल रहा हूँ कि मतलब आई फील लाइक मैं ये रूम पहली बार देख रहा हूँ इस वजह से.
Yes, because you always have the LED on. It's dark as fuck. You can't see shit.
And essentially I only come to the room when like I have to sleep. मैं सिर्फ सोने आता हूँ.
I think I'm the
तू
most-
है जो सबसे ज़्यादा
me
room में
and
रहता है.
him. More than him, I think it's me.
हाँ सबसे ज़्यादा तू ही रहता है. फिर
It's either me or it's either him.
Yeah.
हाँ मैं नहीं तू मुझसे ज़्यादा रहता है.
No, but like the thing is, if I'm not there, you're there. Some other person is always there. Usually.
If not any of us, some random guy.
So, yeah, our room is very. Our room is.
मेरे को ऐसा लगता है काफी टाइम तू कभी जाके बेड पे सोया है.
No.
तू कभी नहीं सोया
I'll
ना.
lie down. I just.
मैं आई थिंक नैप टाइम जाके बेड पे करता हूँ दिन में. रात को मैं प्रॉपर्ली कभी सोया नहीं हूँ तेरे बेड पे. बट
You
जब
should try it once.
रात को
Hey, we always said that we're gonna let him sleep on top.
आजा.
I think.
मैं weekend पे सोता ही हूँ.
हाँ मतलब सोते
Nah, but still, weekday when all three of us are together, I think one of us.
उतना अलग भी नहीं है.
No, I like sleeping. I like the feeling of
Yeah.
sleeping.
ट्रू ब्रो, क्योंकि जब मैं नीचे सोता हूँ ना मेरे को जेन्युइनली ऐसा लगता है कि भाई दुनिया कितनी बड़ी है और मैं कितना अपने आप को ओवर एस्टिमेट करता हूँ, समझ रहे हैं? इट्स वेरी डीप इन माय माइंड, आई कैन एक्सप्लेन इट टू यू।
जमीन पे सोता है।
मैं जमीन पे सोता हूँ ना, मेरे को ऐसे चींटी भी दिखती है ना तो मेरे को लगता है कि फक चींटी, समझ रहे हैं? जैसे आज मैं नीचे सो रहा था, मैंने ऊपर देखा, मेरे को गिरीश दिख ही नहीं रहा था। मैंने तेरे को बताया भी था।
Yeah, no shit. I'm not in your eyesight.
नहीं, लेकिन ब्लैंकेट भी था, it looked like it was just a blanket.
Yeah.
Fair.
समझ रहे हैं?
नहीं पता है, लेकिन सबसे क्या होता अगर बेड होते ही नहीं, तीनों मैट्रेस जमीन पे होते,
That would be
तो I
really
feel
good.
like vibe भी पूरा अलग
It will be
होता।
very good.
You want to do that?
No, we can actually
बेड
get
कहाँ
the
रखेंगे? बस खड़ा
bed. No,
करके-
let the bed be. We can put the bed up. I think you can do it. करना है?
करते हैं?
Before the seminars, you have to do all this shit, man. You have to try it out.
आज रात करते हैं?
Because next time we don't know who's gonna be in single room. This guy is saying he's gonna take a single room. So
तू
I have to scale
लकी
this
करेगा,
shit.
बाकी सब बाकी कोई नहीं।
चल जो भी कर सकते हैं बकचोदी अभी कर लेंगे. First sem में. It's so fuck.
क्या
Time man.
ending?
Yeah. Just 3 more years.
हाँ,
I thought 4 years, bro. I have time. No, 1 year just passed by.
just 3 more years. I still feel like it's a lot. No? I think semester system ये अच्छी चीज़ है इस पूरे उसकी कि it goes by very fast. Right?
The worst part is we have the longest break out of any college.
The summer break.
Yeah.
Every overall break.
No, not overall.
Yes.
We
yes.
get very few holidays as such, single day holidays.
No college we get a decent amount.
No. Where we only get like Gandhi Jayanti and Republic Day.
Diwali.
One day we get, you know
Holi.
how much other people get 5-6 days for Diwali.
But I also feel like you cannot compare yourself like this college to other universities. You can only compare it to residential universities, bro. तू जिंदल से कर सकते है, अशोका is it residential? Yes, it is.
Ashoka.
Ashoka जिंदल से
It's
कर
not
सकते हैं.
compulsory. No?
हाँ, but most of
Whatever.
flame or whatever.
ठीक है.
नहीं,
So,
but generally
because I feel like कि तू DU से अपने आप को compare कर नहीं सकता in a sense कि एक residential university में जब मैं भी कैंपस टूर के लिए आया था ना तो जो बंदा हमें वो the guy was showing us around ना उसने भी हमें यही बोला कि हर सेमेस्टर के बाद like not सेमेस्टर के बाद हर साल के बाद ऐसा होता है कि you need that 3-month break कि तुम्हें घर जाना होता है you like I said कि तुम्हें बाहर जाके देखना होता है कि पुलिस स्टेशन एग्जिस्ट करता है
Yes, because inside you don't know
ठीक
how
है
the things exist.
कि साला जो तुमने एक साल से ढंग से गाड़ी नहीं देखी, पुलिस स्टेशन नहीं देखा, छोटे बच्चे नहीं देखे। What?
That's why you know this happened one time. I think you were also there.
हाँ.
We were working. हम DH में खाना खा रहे थे and randomly kids, small kids, like 10-year-old kids walk inside the DH, like a bunch of them. I think they were our profs' kids.
Yeah.
And then we're like, what? What the fuck? What are kids doing here? So the first you don't the only thing you see here is people like old profs and our age people. You can't see anyone else. You can't see the kids. You can't see high schoolers or anyone. You just can't see any. So it feels weird whenever you see them.
But I feel like this is also like it's like a simulation for the real world. क्योंकि real world is gonna be
True.
exactly like this,
True,
just
true,
थोड़ा
true.
scaled up.
True. I agree. It's like a lab experiment.
हाँ.
We're the rats.
We'll be living with अभी दोस्त हैं. We'll be living with like our partner or our friends or whatever. Same हमारे पास same freedom होगा. हमारे पास same ये होगा जैसे हम जिम जाते हैं, कुछ करते हैं, पढ़ाई करने तो काम होगा.
100%.
It'll be exactly the same, just bigger.
True. I agree with you. And that's why I don't understand how these profs are living here. कि वो एक real world से simulation में आए हैं, not thinking,
But they make a lot of money.
That's not the point.
But it's like पैसा कमा के फिर what are you doing with that?
I think they get a decent amount of free time. They can just go out and come whenever they want.
Yeah, they can. But firstly, यहाँ से कहाँ जाओगे?
Yeah, that's the thing. We're in the middle of nowhere.
And secondly, like
island living.
I would say even worse is their like families. So like most of their wives, I'm assuming are stay-at-home wives. And so उनके लिए तो it's like husband के occupation के लिए you're coming here, and the उनके लिए now the only sort of people who are similar to them is other, you know, other profs or their partners or whatever. And उनके बच्चों के लिए भी the only people who are there is the other kid. So it's like इतना forced living है.
I think हाँ मतलब एक जैसे आर्मी क्या बोलते हैं उसको, आर्मी कैंट में जैसे होता है.
But then it's also यहाँ पे जैसे the food they also have to eat. They aren't supposed to, but they aren't supposed to be eating college food. They're supposed to be eating normal food. जब चाहे बाहर से मंगा लो, जब चाहे बाहर जाके खा लो. But then they don't have that luxury कि they can live like that. You know, they can live कि okay आज मुझे बाहर जाके खाना है.
True, and I think that's unfair.
To the
children.
Yeah.
कि they're not getting, भाई ये ना सीधा कर दे भाई. मैं देख रहा हूँ, मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है गिरेगा, फिर मुझे लग रहा है नहीं मैं किस नहीं कर रहा हूँ.
Fuck this, bro.
हाँ ठीक है. Right. What I'm talking about? Yes, I think that it's unfair to them. कि they're not getting that equal opportunity every kid out there is getting. कि बल्लू यार fuck. मतलब जैसे हमारा वार्डन का बच्चा है ब्रो, वो एक बॉयज हॉस्टल में पढ़ा हो रहा है.
हाँ, fuck.
भाई हमारा वार्डन एक बॉयज हॉस्टल में पढ़ा हो रहा है. उसकी बीवी एक बॉयज हॉस्टल में बड़ी हो रही है ब्रो. वो क्या सोचती होगी? मतलब ये कितना
fuck now
turn off नहीं है ये.
Now I feel bad when we make noise every night.
हाँ.
नहीं.
वो and then you know just Sundarbans में so there's like some warden or assistant warden or someone's family member like
she has
some
cancer.
old lady, she's like a very old lady with she has cancer, and so she's just in that room
Really?
all the time.
So Sundarbans wardens.
No, not warden, someone's assistant.
No,
warden
I'm
or
pretty
someone.
sure. No, warden's mom. I think.
I don't think it's warden.
My own
Whatever,
assistant
someone's mom.
People
But okay, हाँ.
कोई management
Yeah,
या
there's an old lady, हाँ. And the उनके लिए तो it'll be an actual jail because she can't go out. If she goes out, where will she go? What can she? Then it's not even like she has a proper hospital. She has to stay in that room. She can barely talk to her family. She can
Right.
no friends. So no one her age.
It's not like a society where you can mingle with other old
Exactly.
people.
कोई बाहर पार्क में बैठी हुई आंटियां जैसे
हाँ.
हाँ नहीं कर रही है. हाँ. But do you see yourself ever doing that?
हाँ मैं वही पूछने वाला था. So like my question was gonna be, so how much would it take for you to shift here with your family? Or rather, if your partner was offered a job like this, how much money would it take for them to convince you to go with them?
See, if it's like for a sem or something, like if it's temporary basically, then I'll be like कि हाँ bro
It's fine,
चलेगा चलो.
But
उसके लिए भी I'll be like कि it should be worth it.
Yeah.
Okay.
What about indefinite?
Would you?
You don't know the time. You just got the job.
नहीं मैं नहीं करूँगा.
No money. Like no
money.
salaries over there.
No.
Honestly same like.
हाँ
तो
मतलब
पैसे कमा रहे हो then
The only thing.
what's the point if
No,
you
the
can't-
only thing that's fucked about this campus is not in the it's in the middle of nowhere. If it was at least
Yeah,
one year,
then the problem ही नहीं होती. That's the whole point.
तो हाँ मतलब और मेरे को ऐसा भी लगता है कि जितने भी प्रोफेसर्स who are actually into academics and they're not industrialists जो यहाँ पे क्या बोलते हैं विजिटिंग प्रोफ्स हैं. मतलब मेरे को उनको देख के ऐसा लगता है कि how they actually are able to fit into the system. मतलब मैं उनकी शक्ल देखता हूँ मेरे को लगता है कि हाँ bro, I think this guy is made for this. I mean, you know, I don't want to frame it like that, but like, I don't want to call him a nerd, but he looks like a nerd. Like I see my dorm professor, nerd bro, but कितना smart आदमी है वो, कितना smart आदमी है basically.
You know, the profs in SNU are.
The thing is,
I think we are very we don't deserve them, bro. I personally don't.
No, I think all the profs are very good at what they do,
True.
but they aren't in essence professors. No, at least not
Teaching
all of them.
wise.
Yeah.
Yeah, they are coming here for all the research purpose.
भाई देख मैं तेरे को
And
एक
for
चीज
the
समझ
money.
एक चीज जो मेरे को समझ आई है ना from the shift from school to college कि हमने टीचर्स को एटलीस्ट मैंने ऐसे व्यू किया है कि भाई ये टीचर ना मेरे टीचर से पहले मेरी माँ जैसी है कि शी इज मोर लाइक अ केयर टेकर कि ये बच्चा 6 घंटे स्कूल आता है तो मेरे को 6 घंटा इसको ऑक्यूपाइड रखना है या फिर इसका आई हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट भैंचो ये कुछ उल्टा ना कर दे या अपना सर ना फोड़ दे ये ना कर दे वो ना कर दे किसी और का सर ना फोड़ दे व्हाटएवर राइट। अब प्रॉफ्स को जो वो फर्क नहीं पड़ता वो प्रॉफ्स को जो सिर्फ वही करने आता है जो वो जिस चीज का उसको पैसा मिला है ठीक है तो सडनली इट फील्स वेरी स्ट्रेंज एटलीस्ट टू मी ठीक है कि आई डोंट नो ब्रो आई डोंट नो हाउ टू एक्सप्लेन इट बट
I think
they're just doing their job and that's how it should be.
no, I'm not talking about the pestering part.
Yeah.
Or I feel like it's more than it should be.
What?
कि sort of ऐसा कोई pestering की देखने ये काम कर रहे हो या ये कर रहे हो
right.
क्लास आ रहे हो और I feel like it like at least compared to the average professor यहाँ पे ज़्यादा होता है they're on your ass more.
Yeah,
But I
yeah.
talk about teaching wise, not all of them know how to teach efficiently.
Okay, that's not the case for my course at least.
Maybe.
Okay, but
At least हाँ.
validate.
Many people and many students are actually think that.
I don't.
At least मेरे कोर्स के लिए like
हाँ ठीक है बोल।
तो जैसे अभी जो मेरे 5 कोर्स है उसमें से एक मैथ का कोर्स है जिसमें so the professor like थोड़ा eccentric है वो लेकिन ही इज वेरी एंगेजिंग इन क्लास एंड तो मुझे एक्चुअल में मैंने बोला तो मुझे एक्चुअल में बैठ के मजा आता है उसकी क्लास में लेकिन जो अब तक जो मुझे फिजिक्स के प्रोफेसर्स मिले हैं तो अब तक 4 कोर्स हुए मेरे फिजिक्स के पहले से में एक अच्छी प्रोफेसर थी लेकिन बाकी की 3 बहुत बोरिंग रहे एज इन दे जस्ट कम विद 2 and 2
Yeah.
2 and 7
हाँ.
2 okay हाँ continue
एंड वो आते पीपीटी से करके जाते हैं पहली वाली तो वो तो छोड़ दे मैं उसके बारे में बात करने का पूरा 1 घंटा
ठीक है
हाँ बाकी के हाँ
Was she a
वो
visiting professor?
Yeah.
Okay.
एंड तो आते हैं वो बस करा के जाते हैं तो सीनियर्स ने बोला है कि देयर आर अ कपल ऑफ गुड प्रोफेसर्स इन फिजिक्स डिपार्टमेंट और अगले साल हमको आएंगे तो लेट्स सी हाउ दैट गोस लेकिन हाँ सो बट इट्स नॉट इवन द प्रोफेसर्स फॉल्ट बिकॉज दे आरंट हियर बिकॉज एक्चुअली मोस्ट प्रोफेसर्स देयर प्राइमरी जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन इजंट टू टीच वो यहाँ पे रिसर्च के लिए आए हैं एंड देन दे कि तुम एक क्लास भी पढ़ाओगे
Yeah, you get paid a good amount.
Yeah.
You
Which
get
is
what
not
you need.
exactly their fault also.
It isn't because we have good research.
Yeah.
Yeah. So obviously they're gonna come take it. They're gonna get the money for it.
Insane. So do you see yourself getting into research after?
Especially you because physics.
Eventually yes. And I mean, thing is, research बहुत ही broad term है physics में. There's no job profile of a physicist that won't require research. Like जब तुम कुछ भी कर रहे हो,
Right.
if you're working, let's say, for some organization
Oh, yeah,
like
what the
ISRO, NASA, if you're any sort of corporate, any sort of software, any astronomy, any cosmology, any lab, anything you do, any university, वो research तो हर इसमें constant ही है.
I'm thinking about how dumb the question was. I just realized what the fuck the physics people do. They don't sit in a fucking cubicle and type Excel
Yeah.
sheets.
तो research तो है ही.
Because even I was gonna ask the same question and I forgot that.
And that's why it is
Dumbed
down, baby.
36.
यार, explain your joke, please.
Okay. तो ये देव कुमार.
ये देव का joke है?
मतलब उससे शुरू किया था.
Okay.
I got
Then
it.
don't explain it. Or give credits.
हाँ देव कुमार yes.
Yeah.
तो
Let me
उसका
guess.
इनिशियल आइडिया था कि पॉडकास्ट का नाम 36 डम डाउन रखेंगे क्योंकि आप उसको अब्रीविएट करोगे तो उसका नाम होगा 36 DD 36 डबल डीज. ये आइडिया वीटो हो गया था कक्कड़ उसके भाई से.
हाँ.
बट
Veto
द फाइट इज ऑन. हम
Waiting for her.
फाइट खत्म हो गया भाई,
Are you?
नाम रख दिया है, ये कल चैनल पे जाएगा,
वो बदल सकता है, वो कोई नहीं, वो देख लेंगे।
अच्छा ठीक है भाई,
He's gonna force it.
ठीक है, अगर तू एक अच्छा लोगो और इंट्रो बना सकता है ना 36 डबल डी का, आई कंसीडर।
कर ले मियां खलीफा सर्च कर।
Oh.
यार
क्या बोल रहे हैं पूरे?
नहीं भाई,
स्टूडेंट
नहीं,
वाईफाई, स्टूडेंट वाईफाई।
स्टूडेंट वाईफाई पे नहीं आएगा।
हाँ।
हाँ भाई, हमारा जैसा जो भी वो होगा, आई वांट टू कीप इट लाइक दैट। मतलब मैं किसी से इंस्पिरेशन या फिर किसी की तरह नहीं बनना चाहता।
No.
सो लाइक या
Do you like the informative wale sort of podcast where they call like a particular person in a field and then they ask him about that field?
I like it. I really like it, but I don't see myself getting into that anytime soon, at least.
Oh, like Bear Myself.
Yeah, sort of. And the Raj Shamani and like.
हाँ,
Rashomon is good.
Like they call even like doctors and stuff, people like that and.
हाँ मतलब अभी मतलब मेरे को वो नहीं लगता कि वो सब हो सकता है या फिर मैं कर भी सकता हूँ।
Obviously not right now.
Back and
but-
forth.
हाँ मतलब sure, if I think that I'm capable or like whatever, then maybe.
You
Or
prefer-
more of like untriggered का approach, call random celebs and just.
Yeah, मतलब
It's more of that.
Would you prefer back and forth conversation than question answers?
Of course.
College life interesting.
Why do you say like it's a
Like, I like sarcastically.
yeah, maliciously.
I don't know. I still feel we haven't utilized.
What?
College.
We haven't, yeah.
अच्छा तेरे ओपिनियन
हाँ।
में हम ऐसा क्या कर सकते थे या फिर अभी क्या कर सकते हैं, एक महीना जितना बचा है, कि यूटिलाइज इट, कल लॉस कर जाना।
See, it's not just that. I don't know how to say.
और
it.
एक
It's
सेकंड,
just-
तुझे अपना ओपिनियन ऐसे देना है कि तू कुछ सेल नहीं कर रहा, ठीक है, यहाँ पे किसी को भी तुझे ऐसे देना है कि तू एक अच्छे
See, whatever I say, he's not gonna come to Oscar.
नहीं 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 नहीं,
Okay.
सिर्फ कल की बात नहीं हो रही, ठीक है, मेक श्योर दैट यू आर नॉट throwing shade on anyone.
I'm not gonna throw shade on
you
anyone.
don't have to do that.
I'm not gonna name drop, but I'll drop a little.
I'm interested.
Just
Say it in a way कि
yes.
we'll understand.
Obviously, I'm not gonna name drop,
Yeah,
and you will know who I'm talking about.
Yeah, I'm interested.
Just do
I wanna
it.
know.
And whatever I'm saying, the person who watches it will also know who I'm talking about.
Okay, हाँ, go
कर
ahead.
दिया बहन चोद, कर दिया, shade throw, बोल।
It's not
Kar,
shade
kar, bol,
through.
bol, 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 I
It's
wanna
not
know.
shade through. It's
अच्छा ठीक है, बोल।
they're living how they wanna live college life, and I just feel like that's not the best way you can live college life.
थोड़ा
See,
elaborate.
what I'm trying to say is, first sem, how did we approach going out or having fun or hanging out? How was it? Like maximum it was what? First time we went out was CP, and it was clearly because that was the time when we had a huge group and we hadn't explored Delhi. We all came into the hostel from different places. We're like, you know what? Let's go to Delhi. Where do we go? Fucking CP and do fuck all.
तो फिर उस टाइम पे क्या
Drink
और
and
क्या
come back.
पता था, और क्या पता था?
I know. Obviously, that was the only proper hangout we actually had.
I agree.
Trust me. Because the other time,
Not
I'll
the
tell
only
you,
one, but one of them.
the
Yes.
the other time we went was Lucky's party,
All
which
the
we
party.
had, which we wanted to, in SNU we wanted to create the scene of partying and like bring random people, which we tried bringing random people.
We did.
We bought people who were in our friend group, right?
हाँ.
Shit like that. We did that, and it was a party. You can't call it.
It was a
That
party,
was
हाँ.
trying to make profit party type shit.
Right.
And the other one was Kaka's birthday, which is also a party.
Hmm.
After that, I don't think anywhere we went in first sem where we properly hung out. Or
Delhi Heart. But half
that
of
was
the
why
ground.
that was Delhi Heart was because we were going home October May
yeah.
and we wanted to buy shit for our parents.
Sort of.
Yes.
So you went to Delhi Heart.
Yes.
Well, most of us were drunk at that point. Delhi Heart. I remember Abhinav and Vanshika were there. Asmi was there. No, Asmi was also in the car. right?
Asmi was there.
Asmi was there. But then she was also drunk.
Thapa was
Papa
there.
was
I
there. Lucky was there. You were there.
That one. And that was the worst thing. We had to return back also to campus. I mean, you might have had fun. You went to Lucky's place. See, that's the thing. I like whenever the times I went to Delhi, right? with not everyone but with some people. I went once with Abhinav because Abhinav was gonna meet his girlfriend. I went once with Thapa and Abhinav, where Thapa had to meet this girl and then Abhinav had to meet this girl. So I went alone. I was hanging out. You go to these nice places. I went to Lodi Garden, I think, and then I went to Khan Market. I went to fucking. Where else did I go? I went to a lot of places, and it's actually fun. You don't have to fucking. See, I drink a lot, bro. You know. I drink a lot. I smoke a lot. But you don't need
We'll
fucking.
chill, we'll smoke, we'll drink. क्या
Yeah.
क्या वो ये अच्छा से बोलता है bro.
We'll chill, we'll smoke, we'll drink, we'll eat if you want. That's what you say. Like the best part about that, I'll be like, last thing is we'll eat if you want. मतलब
मेरे को नहीं करना.
हाँ,
If you want,
eating is like
we'll do it.
last priority. We'll पहले सब दारू सुट्टा नशे करेंगे, फिर खाना होगा एंड में तो खा लेंगे.
If you want, you can eat.
हाँ, option.
Is this me pitching to you guys that we go out?
हाँ, yeah.
This is how you pitch.
This is how I pitch. No. How do I pitch?
This only.
वही तो मैं पूछ रहा हूँ. This is how you pitch.
This is how I pitch. This is how I pitch.
ठीक है, आगे बोल तू क्या बोल.
Yeah, see, the thing is, you know why we're not able to hang out like how I used to go out and shit. See, even I don't get 20k, 30k a month for me to be able to spend a lot. ठीक है. Even I get a decent amount only. Maximum I get 7 to 5k a month, I think, from whatever I. And I go to Mahesh every day. Mahesh is this place where we go to drink and smoke. Okay.
Oh.
Yes. Why? I just can't say Mahesh and we go to Mahesh every day. Sounds weird.
Oh.
So I go there almost every day. I smoke every day. How much will that cost me every day? At least 50 to 60 bucks every day. Okay. Next year cost for me. Gone. The thing is, I don't waste money on unnecessary shit like eat. Oh, okay, calm. I know I'm. Okay, so.
But unnecessary
I
shit
don't
like
know,
cold
समझ
coffee.
तू एक चीज समझ.
चाय.
Whatever.
How is that unnecessary?
It's not. I'm not saying it's unnecessary. See, people in our group who play sports and who goes to the gym every day, like properly, bro. Include the girls.
1, 2, Mahil, Thapa.
तू कहाँ आता है ओए?
बोला. Body देखिए. I'm including like so sports training, so like
Sports
training,
also.
so sports, Thapa, basketball.
Thapa don't come basketball at all, but okay, gym, basketball, whatever.
But generally,
He has work. Yeah.
Fine.
आज ही गिना के गए.
Who else? Abhinav doesn't. Shresh, if you're counting.
Suresh.
See, Abhinav, I think we should leave out of this because Abhinav does go out on the weekend. It's just that he doesn't hang out with us. ठीक है, Abhinav he just doesn't.
Yeah.
Like he has his girlfriend. He's obviously gonna meet his girlfriend.
So that's.
Yeah.
And among the girls, no one is really that consistent.
Exactly. And who are the ones who usually ditch our plan on the weekends?
Okay, I'm not saying anything.
They don't do. Listen.
मेरे मुंह से
Listen. They don't do.
बाबा game over.
ये part edit out हो गया. ये किसी ने
They
नहीं
know.
किया
It's
है.
right. I want them to know. I'm not throwing shade at them. I don't hate them for this.
तो भोसड़ी के वीडियो में क्यों बोल रहा है? मुंह पे बोलना.
I think I've said this to them. मुंह में.
मुंह खोल.
I would have said it. I think I might have said it to Sam. Fuck you, Sam.
अबे यार.
Guys, we cut out half the shit. Now continue.
No, अभी फिर पूरा discuss
Oh,
करेंगे.
discuss,
ना.
चल.
नहीं. We'll get tired then. We'll talk about this after the podcast. No, we'll talk about it. Don't worry.
Wait, तुझे कुछ बोलना तो बोल दे. चल.
Okay, so ये room, this is like, so हम तीनों time से रह रहे हैं. And then eventually room भी like हम तीनों से sort of adapt हुआ है. Like हम तीनों ने अपना touch डाला है room पे.
Yes.
So next year तू single ले रहा है. I think तू और मैं mostly
Yes.
roommate बन रहे हैं. So
Yeah,
like,
shook on it.
मतलब मैं जमीन पे सोने वाला हूँ basically.
Yeah, if you
Yeah.
sleep on the floor.
ठीक है यार.
So how different or like you know what do you think ये कमरे से कौन सा aspect कक्कड़ के रूम में दिखेगा, कौन सा aspect हमारे रूम में दिखेगा?
बेसिकली जय पूछ रहा है तू इस रूम से क्या क्या सामान
लेके
जा
जाएगा.
हाँ. मैं ये पैड लेके जा रहा हूँ और ये
नहीं ये पैड हमारा आइडिया था, तू पसंद
And
नहीं था.
you were the one who hated it.
हाँ.
भाई मुझे क्योंकि लगा था वो खून है सच में.
पिंक कलर का खून निकाला है.
मैं भाई लाइट ऑफ थी जब मैं आया था.
Okay.
It's cold kid.
ठीक है ये मैं पैड ले जा रहा हूँ
नहीं पोस्टर तेरे तू ले जा पैड पे हमारे से
We'll me and him will cut it and
हाँ।
take.
ठीक है
Oh no, we're in the same room.
Same
We'll-
room। ठीक है तो या मेरे काम करते हैं हाँ ठीक है ये मैं ले जा रहा हूँ पोस्टर बोल रहा हूँ फ्लैग ये पैड तुम ले जाओ अरे यार मैच होता है यार देख लेंगे बाद में
No, okay. What he meant was what.
I got it.
Not
See,
just
let's say
items,
like
just general,
having the room, having the whole desk filled up will be you. You'll have your rooms, desks. like,
अरे
जब
मेरा
room
भी
में
मेरा भी
रहेगा,
डेस्क फिल्ड अप रहता है
filled up रहेगा.
Hmm.
I think if
That I think.
we are in a room,
I think गिरीश का ये होगा जहाँ पे हैंगर पे ऐसे बहुत सारे कपड़े
I think अरे hanger है तो use करना bench.
ब्रो मैं मजाक नहीं कर रहा
That's been there for a long while.
लॉन्ग वाइल
Till the start of
तू
this
कब
year.
शिफ्ट हुआ था भाई इधर
No, because those are the shirts which you wear in winter, na. So I would never just I never want to wear.
ब्रो वो अक्टूबर से है यहाँ पे
No, not October. No.
यार
Hey, I wore this in I wore this January or something, and then I put it back there, and it's just there.
दिसंबर
December, no one was here.
एग्जैक्टली फिर भी थी ये
Day January it was there.
यार चल ठीक है जो भी है अप्रैल चल रहा है अभी
Does it matter? It's not that I wear it. It's not that I'm wearing dirty clothes.
एग्जैक्टली
You're telling me to keep it safe. Okay.
whatever हाँ so I think this
The hanger utilization of hanger will be me.
हाँ
I think हमारे कमरे में दोनों बेड will be away from the door. So I think you like it and I also like it away from the door.
Yes. Yes.
तुझे एक ऐसी बस हो गया है फिर तुझे डोर के पास थोड़ा पसंद है या कुछ ऐसा
नहीं मैं प्रेफर वही करता हूँ गिरीश का ही बेड प्रेफर करता हूँ क्योंकि क्या होता है ना जब मैं यहाँ पे सो रहा होता हूँ और
Even if
जब
it's slightly
खुल
open.
जाता है, हाँ थोड़ा सा भी आता है ना तो वो वहाँ पे जो बाहर लाइट होती है ना वो अंदर आती है और वो स्ट्रेट मेरी आंखों में आती है तो लाइक भाई कौन अंदर आ रहा
That's why whenever I open it slightly, he wakes up from his sleep. He's like, "Arey yaar, close the fucking door."
हाँ
you know I
और
want
क्योंकि गिरीश का जब ये टेबल यहाँ पे होता है ना और जब ये बेड पे गिरीश सो रहा होता है तो ये एकदम एक confined space
No,
बन जाती है।
You know when it's
बहुत
you know when this is annoying. This is annoying in the morning. Side से आता है मुंह पे.
हाँ।
Directly.
तो इस तरह मुंह करके सोएगा ना
Yeah, I think I'll try that.
Yeah.
But still, the
समझ
this thing isn't good
आ
enough.
जाएगा।
आता ही है like.
Right.
I think my room will be clean next year. 100%.
I don't think so.
I'm the one who cleans the room every time.
ये रूम 5 बार साफ हुआ है which
5 बार.
3 बार तूने किया होगा यार देख एक बार मुझे याद है
Yeah, come on.
क्या
Defend me.
किस क्या
How many times have you?
clean या
Whatever.
एक बार मुझे याद है एक बार मैंने रूम साफ किया था जब
मेरे साथ.
नहीं
जब you were alone in the room.
नहीं तब तो हमने किया ही था ठीक है एक बार मुझे याद है कि तू चेन्नई में था तो तब तक वापस नहीं आया था मैं और थापा थे और तेरे यहाँ पे तेरे पापा की कुछ तो पासपोर्ट की फोटो
Yeah, which you fucking cut out and tried burning it, right?
I burnt it
Exactly. Is that called cleaning? कौन है Ben?
go away
थापा मीटिंग नहीं है तेरी
Meeting.
थापा यार we're recording something
अच्छा ओके सॉरी
I'll call you
Cutie है यार, sorry बोल
Sorry बोल रहा है यार but हाँ what are we talking about
You burning my dad's photo?
अरे यार
See, he does shit like this, bro.
I think
अंकल
कपड़ों का ही रहेगा गिरीश का
Hmm?
हाँ
Yeah, that will be there all the time. But the thing is, I get it clean.
हाँ मुझे प्रॉब्लम नहीं है बस
Clean.
रहेगा मेरे
हाँ
Hey, no, I think I should start using this to the full potential. That is to store everything. This is the thing that I let it flood.
हाँ
I let it like.
हाँ
But then it gets to me after a point, so I have to clean it.
so why don't you use that
हाँ ये क्या है
That is to clean it. This thing I'll wear it again.
ये
if it
कपड़े
gets too
कभी भी
dirty.
निकले हैं यहाँ से
तू
Yeah,
चुनती है क्या हर वीकेंड में लेके
हर
जाता
weekend
हूँ?
it. Yeah, even I put it in the laundry bag there.
सेम लगता है मुझे पूरा हफ्ता like same quantity होता है same
Quantity is always the same because so that I put the laundry and this I put there.
That you put in the laundry, this you put?
That I put in the laundry,
Huh.
and if this is used too much, then I'll put this in the empty bag.
Ooh. Makes sense.
Because these are the things I wore only once or twice, so I can wear it one more time max.
मुझे वो तुम लोग ने वो वाला देखा है जैसे
This
Wall
one or
shelf.
in here.
हाँ ये शेल्फ नहीं जैसे माहिर का कमरा है ना
हाँ, in my कमरा in these type of areas they have the
हाँ,
shelves.
yeah,
I
yeah.
want
मुझे
that.
वो चाहिए.
I want that fast.
मुझे-
If that was there, here it would be really useful.
True.
मुझे वो चाहिए. मेरे ऊपर देखोगे ना बहुत सामान
बहुत
है
अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है, वो गुड है.
लाइक पहले शेल्फ पे ये है, फिर दूसरे मेडिकेट और सब.
I mean, I like this room, man. I would feel really bad when I leave. It's not because it's, oh bro, बहुत like अच्छा room है, दिखता अच्छा है. No, it's just that we've done too much dumb shit here.
But you know one thing that I feel like 3 of us living in the room, you know, took away from us. हमका personally एक sort of morning और general day का schedule नहीं बन पाया.
सीधा बोलना, अलार्म बंद कर भोसड़ी के.
नहीं अबे क्या कुछ भी उस पे आएंगे. नहीं शेड्यूल नहीं बन पाया इन द सेंस कि जैसे ऊपर मेरा कैसा है, तो मैं मुंबई में रोज कॉफी पीता था सुबह को.
राइट.
एंड ऊपर मेरा एक है, मतलब चीनी है, कॉफी है, मिल्क पाउडर है, उसका भी अलग कहानी है.
Milk powder.
हाँ, तो it was like, तो एटलीस्ट उधर स्कोप था कि एटलीस्ट एवरी मॉर्निंग आई गो गर्म पानी करके. यहाँ पे आई फील लाइक क्योंकि 3 लोग हैं, हम तीनों का कभी भी एक प्रॉपर मॉर्निंग शेड्यूल कि हम उठेंगे हमेशा से बेसिक क्या, हम जाके ब्रश करेंगे, मे बी फेस वॉश व्हाटएवर, लेकिन और डायरेक्ट निकल जाओ. प्रॉपर एक कभी सेट हुआ नहीं. मे बी दैट्स अ कॉलेज थिंग.
That's a college thing. I don't think it's a 3 people living thing.
फील
That is a college
लाइक
thing.
स्टार्ट ऑफ सेमेस्टर मेरा हल्का सा था, फिर मे बी
Start of semester मेरा भी था ना?
बस हाँ,
सबका था.
इजी was हाँ,
It
very
wore
smooth.
off, it wore
हाँ,
off.
हाँ, yeah.
या.
But I want to see जब मैं properly.
We don't even shower in the morning. We come back and we shower. We wake up, we
हाँ,
brush.
मैं तो हमेशा शाम को ही
we,
नहाता हूँ.
we shower at night only.
मैं मुझे शाम को.
हाँ.
But I want to see जब अगर डबल रूम मेरा खुद का आया अगले साल तो कैसा बदलेगा देखना.
I don't think it will change.
I don't think it'll change. Maybe it might change a little because you don't have to go up again to get your things because the things are already there. You might feel like
This also I feel कि भाई मतलब
because
कॉलेज में मतलब छोटी चीज होती है ना कि मेरे को खाना खाना है, मेरे को भूख लग रही है, अभी देखो भूख लग रही है ब्रो, तेरे को खाना खाना है, तू क्या करेगा? यू हैव टू वर्क फॉर इट. तेरे को सीएनडी तक पहले चल के जाना है, तुझे उससे पहले किसी को कन्विंस करना है कि भाई चलना सीएनडी चलते हैं, ठीक है? अभी कर्फ्यू भी हो रहा है, तू बाहर ही नहीं जा सकता.
that we don't have to worry about next year.
But still.
Whatever. ठीक है, छोटी चीज, तेरे को फ्रूट्स खाने हैं, तेरे को टावर्स तक चल के जाना है, ठीक है? तेरे को बाल कटवाने हैं, तेरे को यहाँ तक चल के जाना है. तो हर छोटा टास्क है ना, उसमें इतना एफर्ट है कि एक पॉइंट के बाद लगता है कि छोड़ना ब्रो. भूख लग रही है ना, ठीक है, सुबह खा लूंगा यार.
You know, this is the thing. When in the start of the sem, both the cupboards and the space was filled with snacks every time. And after a point, we're like, fuck this. I'm too tired to go to arcade. I'm too tired to go to Minimart to get things.
Yeah.
Lunch खाते हैं, midnight mess खाएंगे. Maximum we get from midnight mess, we get the plate, we get the bread and come here. That's all we do. We don't have things here right now.
Right.
We do have tea packets, so if you guys want to drink today.
We could.
चाय पीना है?
करेगा?
बहुत दिन हो गया.
बहुत टाइम से मेरा वो कप भी नहीं निकला यार.
Same, my cup is like
मेरे
dust.
पेंसिल है यार.
ठीक है.
भाई मेरा स्टेन हो चुका है.
मैंने देखा.
डस्ट है क्या है पता नहीं, वो बस स्टेन हो चुका है.
आई थिंक वो चाय के नीचे का वो जो बॉटल
Plain बस अलार्म की बात कर रहे हो.
कोई नहीं भाई, अभी कल सुबह जब बजेगा तो फिर
हाँ.
थोड़ी शर्म कर ले यार गिरीश.
Sorry यार.
नहीं अभी रिसेंटली कुछ नहीं हुआ है.
आज सुबह बज रहा था पूरा.
हाँ?
What are you talking about?
मेरा-
नहीं बज रहा था. अबे
सुबह-
सर पे हाथ
सुबह।
सर पे हाथ हाँ सर पे हाथ रख के बोल नहीं बज रहा था.
You know when it rang? 1 o'clock in the afternoon.
Oh shit. 1 घंटा लेट था मैं.
I get your point, लेकिन नहीं
1
it's
o'clock
fair.
in the afternoon, man.
Normal, it's
अच्छा,
fine.
एक
Like
second.
हम जाग
एक
चुके
बजे-
हैं.
एक
And
बजे alarm.
2 alarms rang, and I cut it.
हम जाग चुके थे. So it's like
Exactly.
It's
You guys are fucking troubling me from sleeping.
That's true.
Oh.
I was editing, bro.
Shut the fuck up. Editing is not the problem. They were shouting, you're shouting, he's shouting.
उस साले 12
You didn't
बजे
shout.
सोएगा तो फिर
He just smacked me in the head, he's like, AC हो गया. And I was just like,
कौन है? कल आना.
Oi, come after a bit, da. I'll call you.
उसको नहीं आती हिंदी bro. Come tomorrow.
No, seriously, we call you.
Bro मारेगा क्या?
Milk powder. milk powder.
चलो एक पैकेट है मेरा भी, तुमको देना है तुम लोग को 30
No, not gonna lie, before you went to Mumbai, right? I didn't know that you were gonna come on Tuesday. So I actually planned on buying a milk packet because I was at the minimart and write and just keep it on the table. So the next day I saw him already there. I was like, fuck yeah, plan ruin हो गया.
देख वैसे ऐसे मैं भी तेरे को एक
I've had one scoop out of it, like 2 scoops out of it in my entire life. Okay, Mahir is the culprit. You know, have you seen the video? Have you seen the video?
No, what video?
रुक जा भाई अभी मत दिखा यार
Finishing
अरे यार, no. Okay, no.
बट मैं क्या बोल रहा था माहिर की इतनी नॉटी फोटो है ना माहिर यहाँ पे बैठा हुआ है ठीक है ऐसे
Bangoli is out of that is trauma, man. Never have 2 rupees bang in your life. Please.
क्यों
The first day I came to Delhi and then I went to Mahesh and then I saw that they sell bang for 2 rupees. I was like, bro, I'm short. Right. I have one. I think it was with the first time people try was our friends, right? And then they get high and I'm like, oh shit, this shit's fun, nice. Let me try it tomorrow. I had it the next day. I had one goli. Nothing happened.
That is the boiler room day.
नहीं
Boiler room day I had 2. Not that day.
Okay.
I had it one day and then nothing
was
happened.
this a random day na first time?
Yeah, it was just a random day. Nothing was happening. It was a random day. And then I tried. Nothing happened. So next time I tried, I'll do 2. When I did 2, it was okay. It was nice. That was the boiler room day. And then I was like, I don't want nice. I want high.
Yeah.
And I take 3 on breeze ka night.
I remember.
And I'm tripping
भाई
balls.
मैं तेरे को बताता हूँ क्या हुआ उस दिन ठीक है ब्रीज का दिन था ठीक है गिरीश सामने एक और बंदी है ठीक है और साइड में ना लड़ाई हो रही है भाई ठीक है मतलब 2 ग्रुप्स लड़ रहे हैं ठीक है नहीं 2 ग्रुप्स में नहीं एक ग्रुप हमसे लड़ रहे थे थापा और लकी आई थिंक लकी थोड़ा पीछे था
Thapa was the one involved. Lucky was there.
थापा was there, someone else was also there. ठीक है तो 3-4 लोग ना थापा से लड़ रहे थापा भी बोल रहे उसको वो भी बोल रहे कुछ लड़ाई हो रही है ठीक है और ऐसे बीच में ना अर्जुन वैली बज रहे हैं
हाँ
यू डोंट रिमेम्बर
डीजे बजा रहा था
डीजे बजा रहा था
Why
वहीं पे तो थे डीजे बजा रहा है अर्जुन वैली लड़ाई हो रही है ठीक है मैं गिरीश को देख रहा हूँ गिरीश भाई कुछ कर भाई क्या करे अभी ठीक है गिरीश ऐसे देखता गिरीश मुझे देख के बोल रहा है क्या है बचो भाई बचो ठीक है फिर मैं गिरीश बोल रहा हूँ भाई क्या करना है फिर बोल रहा हूँ मैं ताफा को बोल रहा हूँ ताफा भाई अभी बैकअप नहीं है हाँ
I felt so bad listening to this next day. No. क्या कर रहा था भाई